Hello everyone, welcome back. FundYourFX.com, Bulletproof Traders. We're back in action today with the Forex portfolio breakdown. Really excited to talk about 4 positions that we have in place and another one that we just got out of. So let's go right ahead and dive in. I want to start with the pound Japanese yen because this one was a quick straight to the target, and I was putting this one on my watch list, and we talked about price action turning around off the bottom here, and I specifically said if price action was going to end up the weekly bar back above 194.99, we're going to take action and we're going to aim at 198.19. And that was such a swift move. We were barely able to catch it, right? Because it was moving so quick. So yeah, we missed probably half of the way to the target, but we did get in with only one trade, and price action was just rushing right into the target, snatched that target, and that's where we got out. Obviously, automatically we had our profit target, our take profit order at 198.18. And take a look how it looks like right now. So price action went all the way up there, just slightly touched our target, and then a massive downside reversal from that point forward. But luckily for us, we were not there anymore. So just a quick, just wanted a quick update on the pound Japanese yen because that's what we talked about. I believe it was 3 days ago. Now I want to talk about the 4 active positions that we still have going for us, right? So just yesterday we talked about the dollar Swiss franc, talked about the way price action managed to close slightly above 90.80, and that gave us that breakout confirmation because it was backed up with a weekly close, and we pulled the trigger. And yesterday we noticed price action was pulling back up after trying to cross back below 90.80. So that was a very good sign. Today we saw price action starting to turn positive. And take a look at that spike here slicing that 90.80, which is evidence of price action, picking up that support coming from 90.80. And that's a strong indication that it's going to continue on this upside trajectory. And guess what? We doubled up our position size and fired off the second trade, and I'm ready to get even more aggressive. As long as price action keeps moving forward, give us that green light, we're gonna get even more aggressive and keep firing off more trades. At the end of the day, the target's not too far away. It's 92.40, representing the previous major high. Second one is the silver, which I also mentioned yesterday. We talked about the silver as well. I have to admit, a bit of an upset here because price action, I was expecting a breakout yesterday, but unfortunately it pulled back off of that 30.10. Obviously, that 30.10 level is tough, right? And I did consider pulling out of this position. Nevertheless, I decided to stay. We have a small position in place, 2 trades, and I felt like, because I saw price action again gearing up that positive momentum, so I felt, you know what, maybe third time's a charm, maybe this time it will make it, so I kept the position intact. But all eyes are on the silver, and today is really the money time day, so we definitely need a breakout today. We need a close above that 30.10. Hopefully we'll get it. If not, again, we'll consider pulling out of this position, pulling the plug, as they say. All right, that's the second one. Third one, euro dollar. Take a look at this lovely turnaround off of 103.94, which is exactly what we expected. We already took profit with the euro dollar as it was diving downwards, last week. So we took some trades out that had some profit on them, took some profit off the table. But then price action went into a pretty aggressive technical correction. But I also knew that 103.94 is a tough, resilient resistance level, and it's probably going to hold, and it's probably going to and it's gonna terminate that technical correction. And that's exactly what happened. So as price action was approaching, it spiked it once, and then yesterday spiked it the second time. So as price action was starting to turn negative, we knew that was the right timing to pull the trigger again, increase our position size, because that's prime location. And you can see the trades that we've put here, right? The first one and then the second one, right? So now we have 3 trades in, running towards the target. Target is still quite ambitious. We're talking about 99.75, so there's a long way to go. This position is here to stay, so we'll definitely come back to it later down the road and keep you posted. Last but not least, our 4th position, which is definitely my top favorite one. As you know, it's the pound versus the US dollar, with a massive drop today, guys. And, you know, it served us perfectly. Here, we were on our way to the target. It was 5 days ago. We got close to the target. Price was closing in on that 123 key level, support key level, which is our, official target. But it missed it, right? It got pretty close, but then it started to turn around. As it did, we rushed in to close out a few trades that we have. We had 4 trades at some point running for us on this bearish campaign. So as pricing started to turn around, we felt like a technical correction is underway. We took out 3 out of the 4 trades, took some nice profit already. And then as price action started to turn around, which was in perfect alignment with the euro dollar that I just talked about, we knew that the technical correction is probably over, and we rushed in to throw those trades back in, right? So we had 3 trades running for us, and this morning I noticed that price action is really close to the target as we're talking, as we speak right now. And I felt like it's too close to the target for us to have a heavy position in place where the risk now outweighs the reward. So we closed out 2 out of the 3 trades. Obviously a lot of profit on those 2 trades. And we just left 1 last trade for the official target, for official profit target 123. As you can see today, guys, just an hour ago, it was really close. Got really close to the target. So, but yeah, we kept the position running. I believe we're gonna make contact with that 123 in the next 24 hours, right? So we're really looking forward to knock off that target and just finish with this bearish campaign on the pound dollar. Go look for opportunities somewhere else. Also, stop loss level, as you would expect, was adjusted significantly. We've tightened up our stop loss level all the way to 125, which is almost where our last trade is. So there's no more risk, effectively no more risk on this position, just the potential of the profit on that last trade, right? So that's where we are, guys. That's our Forex market portfolio breakdown for today, Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed that video. Wishing you a great trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.